This isn't going to be true of all sites, but for a lot of the sites that we work on, the tagline that appears under the logo appears in the Appearance Customize section. So if you go into Appearance Customize and go into so here we've got 153 Consulting, and then we have 153 Consulting, right? And that doesn't look very good. So you can go in and edit the logo settings and then have the site title underneath. Some themes let you just turn this off right here for the site title. And so we can play with some settings here, right? That moves it in line. That moves it there. Site title visibility, though, this will just shut it off on all the different devices. So this is the particular theme that we're working with that lets us do this. But it just depends what theme you're working in, how this would get shut off. But for this particular site, that is the place where you go, Appearance, and then Customize, and under Customize, you can turn off the site title underneath the logo. Hope that's helpful.